Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we are gonna teach you how to create one-on-one chat room. First, click the new link here. The default type of chat room is direct, which is for one-on-one chat, so we can keep it without any modification. Second, customize your chat URL. You can use the preset URL or create your own one. Remember, every link in PinChat is unique, so you can use any existing URL. Third, set up the chat room name and display name. Click the create button below and you've got your first PinChat link. The final step, download the shared QR code or copy the shared link. Then share it to your customers. Start to engage your customer with PinChat.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.